All right, so we're gonna be bleeding our brakes today. We have the cap open, have some fluid in there, have something in that area to keep it from spilling, because brake fluid will damage everything, especially paint. So we have everything ready up here. What I'm gonna do is pull in the brake lever there and keep it held. And down here, we have our brake bleed system. Have a rubber hose, a little adapter there to have a better connection. That's what you're looking for, a better connection. Make sure it's tight so no air is going to be going through there. Then we'll be loosening that brake bleed screw, and you'll be noticing some air bubbles and brake fluid go through here, and we'll be doing that a couple times until we have all fluid passing through and no air bubbles. Hold the brake, release the brake fluid cap, have some air bubbles coming out, continue holding it. We're gonna just repeat this process a couple times. Tighten it back up, release the brake lever. All right, y'all, so here we're doing the second one. You wanna remove this nipple, put your clear tubing on this one, and again, like I mentioned before, you wanna pump the brake all the way in, release this is, I believe, an 8mm nut, loosen it, and that will allow it to bleed any air bubbles that come out, and you wanna see just fluid only till it's done. So we completed the second one, and then we were on to our third one over here, right on the master cylinder. Same thing, same process. I actually think this is the 8mm, the one on the bottom is a 10, excuse me. So once we did that, you can see it like this. I have brake pressure, okay? So if I go ahead and bleed the brake again, I'll have no pressure, and then I'll have to build it back up. All right, y'all, so we are on the final brake bleed. We're doing the master cylinder. There, you always want to start the one furthest away from the master cylinder. So we do the left side of the wheel, the right side of the wheel, then we get this one. So I'll show you how it's done. So we can see that we have brake pressure here, guys. We're gonna loosen up this brake bleed, no air bubbles, nothing but fluid there. We're gonna tighten that up, okay? And now we are gonna start building our brake pressure back again. So we are good to go with front brakes, guys.